this is Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing, and today I'm going to talk to you about Laurie Heiss, and she has a blog and website, Penny Pincher, the Penny Pincher, Frugal Penny Pincher. I'm not sure exactly, but I will leave that information in the description box. I'm sure some of you know she's been around for a while, but we're talking about creating a cleaning routine that actually works. And this is what she has. She sells a planner, a house cleaning planner. I have not purchased it, so I'm not exactly sure of everything that it includes, but I know it does include checklists that you can just check off when you do some of your house cleaning. And she talks about having a morning cleaning schedule, and these are all things that she created a planner for. She says, I do these things each morning before I turn on my phone. She says, but she's not gonna lie, she doesn't do these every day, but I do them most days. In other words, it's not about perfection, it's about consistency. And if you miss a day, she says, you're not gonna die, just as long as you get back on it. She says she exercises and showers every morning, makes the bed. She makes her bed, and her kids grew up and started making their beds. She did not really make them make their beds, but they did see her make her bed every morning. So I guess when they became adults, she said that they started making their beds. She said she couldn't really take full credit for it, but she said that they must have just learned from her example. She starts a load of laundry. She cleans bathroom sinks. I missed this one several days a week, but get it in at least 2 to 3 days a week. Prep dinner. She washes, puts away dishes. Her family helps with this. She was saying that when there were 3 kids at home, or she got this, I don't know where I got this, but I found it a great idea. If she had 3 kids at home, one loaded the top of the dishwasher, one loaded the bottom of the dishwasher, and the youngest did all the silverware. And of course, if there was only 2 kids, one did the top and one did the bottom. And I'm not sure if that was what she did or she got the idea from her sister. But anyway, I found that a great way to break up dishwashing. I should have done that with my daughter and my son, and made them both help each other in the kitchen that way. So there's a new idea I'd never heard of before. Cleans the kitchen countertops, wipes down the kitchen sink, and tidies up the main living room. Those are the things she does every morning. Because I keep up with our home regularly, I can usually finish up everything on the list except exercising and showering in less than 20 minutes. Keeping up with the list daily just makes it easy. And a tip, start with exercise as often as you can, even if it means waking up 30 minutes early. It will give you more energy and change your attitude for the entire day. So very worth it. And again, you can just take a 5-minute walk every morning before you start your coffee. Or while your coffee is percolating, you take a walk around the block. That will energize you as well. Nighttime cleaning schedule this is how it goes. I do these 8 things most nights before I go to bed. Make dinner, prep meals for the next day, wash and put away dishes, Clean kitchen counters, wipe down kitchen sink, set out fresh kitchen towels for the next day, sweep, vacuum kitchen, fold laundry, tidy the main living space. Again, other than making dinner, everything else on the list takes less than 20 minutes per day. It goes super fast because it's kept up with regularly, and I usually enlist the family to help. And then daily home project. I try to tackle one big home cleaning project each day. Sunday, menu planning. Monday, dust and vacuum. Tuesday, quick fridge clean out, mop floors, take out trash, clean microwave and stovetop. Wednesday, clean bathrooms. Thursday, change bedroom sheets. Friday, clean electronic screens, sort paperwork, take out trash. Depends on when, she says that depends, of course, when your trash day is. You can switch these days around to fit your family. Saturday is extra project like cleaning out the car, sweeping out the garage, or sweeping the front porch. Now, many of these things do not happen on the day they're assigned to happen. So, if I realize it's Friday and I missed clean sheets day, I'll pop an extra load of laundry in. On busy weeks, most of my home cleaning schedule chores get pushed off until the weekend. But since I maintained our house with my daily list, it's not too bad if I miss a day. Keeping everything I need pulled together in a cleaning bucket helps me tackle chores fast without having to go looking for the tools that I need. Okay, now she talks about big weekly cleaning project. I tackle one big, huge, scary project each week. For example, organizing the linen closet, tidy up the master bathroom closet, clean underneath the kitchen sink, deep clean the freezer. Ugh. These are all things that we have to do. For me, a big project usually takes about an hour, and I try to schedule those 2 times each year. So if I miss it once, it's not missed forever. Because my kids are a little older, sometimes they tack the big project for the week. It's a great way for them to earn some spending money and keep up with those things regularly. Makes managing our home just a little bit easier to keep up with them. So the kids will help and they will get spending money. She says, give yourself permission to be imperfect. Give yourself some grace. Realize that when my kids were young that I would never be able to keep up with everything. So I tackle what I can. Check off a list is so rewarding, but then let the rest go. Perfection is not the goal. All right, now let me do a little review of some of the things that she said. Laura Heiss gives us her best tips and tricks to establish a cleaning routine that allows our home to become manageable every day. Put your phone down. My best days are the ones when I say I'm not going to turn that phone on until all of her morning routines are done. As long as you have a routine, it doesn't matter if they are done morning or evening, or just get into the habit and have a routine. Enlist your family's help. Assign each family member a job. What you model is more important than what you make your kids do. If you miss a cleaning task 1 week, it's okay. Just move forward and you will get to it next week. And she says, no one will die. Have things handy for cleaning quickly. Find a mop you love. She loves the cedar spin mop, so I'm going to have to check that one out. I've heard a lot of organizers really love that spin mop. So far I use Swiffer. Take all the tasks that you know you want to do every day and make them into a routine that you do every morning. Once a week, have a daily home project. Pick one day a week for tasks such as meal planning, changing sheets, cleaning out the fridge, cleaning the bathroom. Twice a year, schedule. That's what happens when you talk and people are listening. Twice a year, schedule your big projects such as organizing the linen closet, cleaning out under the kitchen sink, deep cleaning freezer or refrigerator. If you miss it, you can get it the next time it comes around. Work towards the goal of your house always being in a state where you should easily move. You could easily move if you had to. If you do feel completely overwhelmed, go ahead and hire someone to do a deep clean for you. Then you can maintain it with a routine. So she says it's okay to hire someone to do your deep cleaning for you, even if it's just once a year to get you on track again, or twice a year to get you on track, or 4 times if you just want to give yourself a little gift of having someone else do it besides you. I used to have someone before the pandemic that came every other week. And I made sure that I did Bible study on the days that she came to clean, so that my house was extra clean and I didn't have to feel frantic when I had Bible study. But now, since the pandemic, I've gotten into the routine of getting it clean myself, and because of the pandemic, I was no longer doing tea parties, so I had the extra time after my full-time job. I had the extra time to get back into the habit. Luckily, before the pandemic, I had started trying to cook at home. So when the pandemic hit, I made sure I had an easy meal plan that I still use, so that I don't mind cooking and I don't mind cleaning anymore. And my house is pretty well organized, so when I do have to clean, it's really easy to get it put back in place. That is really your goal for being organized and having less stuff, because the more stuff you have, when it gets all out of place, the longer it takes to get all of that and put it back where it goes. So that is it on the penny pincher, Laura Heiss, and I will leave links to her blog, her YouTubes, and all of that information if you are not already following her. All right, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.